The Plugo Coding Kit by PlayShifu is an outstanding introduction to the basics of programming for young children, blending learning with interactive digital games. This educational STEM toy provides an engaging way for kids aged 4 to 10 to develop critical problem-solving skills through adaptive challenges and charming characters. Children enhance their analytical thinking as they use tiles to create code blocks, fostering creativity and logical skills with puzzles and obstacles. The kit introduces fundamental programming concepts through a simple block-based method, allowing kids to build skills as they learn commands and play educational games. Included in the kit are 33 coding tiles, a coding base, a flash drive, a gamepad, and a quick start guide, with access to more than 200 levels via the Plugo app. Compatible with a wide range of iOS and Android devices, this kit ensures a seamless experience, although it does not support Amazon Fire devices.